Hi there, welcome to our fourth class. Today I'm going to talk about mockups. I'm going to explain why they are, where can we find them, and I will quickly show you how to use them. So let's get started. Welcome back to Moshito Design Academy. Today we are going to talk about mockups. Mockups are a great tool to use in your first designer career because they will allow you to show your products, your designs in different products. So when you have a design, it might look better if you can show the people how it will look on a t-shirt, on a pillow, or as wallpaper. And this that I have here in this computer is just an example of a mock-up. So these are my designs, and you can see them, how they look all together in different fabrics, or you can show them in clothing and things like that. So I found that mock-ups are pretty cool because I cannot always get great photos in real life. As hard as I try, sometimes my kids don't cooperate. So I have a example of a photo in real life with my kid. It's half in the shade. She's, I think, dancing, not sure. So I find that quite challenging. So mockups open a new window for me. I don't have to fight with my kids to take photos, and I can try as many combinations as I want. So here on the right, I have an example of a mockup. It looks very good. The lining is perfect, and they're not hard to make at all. So, and there's not only mockups for fabric, there are for wallpaper, home decor, and then clothing as well. So if you have a vision for your design, you could go with that vision and try to see how it looks. And I think customers also get a better idea of the end product and sometimes might look more appealing. So yeah, the visual definition is a visualization that helps the customer see how the final product will look like. So in my experience, to create a mockup, you're going to need Photoshop, but I think there are other tools now that you can use, but I am only familiar with Photoshop for this particular. And my favorite mockups are from Creatsy. They have some free samples on their website, so you can go try them out, see how they work, and see how you like them. And if you like them, they have some packages where you can purchase several different mockups at once, and I think they have really good deals on those. But in general, you can find mockups in the creative market. That's how I found Creatsy. And so you have different options there if you're looking for swimsuits or wallpaper. So you can go there and find the best mockup for your needs. But I would also keep in mind that if you are uploading your designs to any of the print-on-demand websites, they will also have free mockups because they advertise your designs in products already. So you will be able to download those at high resolution and use them on your social media, on your website, or any other places that you want. So the one that I have on the right is an example of a mock-up from Spoonflower. So I uploaded my design there, and automatically it shows me how my design looks in wallpaper, fabric, home decor. And that also gives me a good idea of how my designs look, if I think they're good, or if I need to change anything. So I kind of use it for my internal review process. And then I can adjust the scale. Maybe I think I should be bigger for the wallpaper or smaller for the fabric. And then here on the bottom part on the left, I have a Creatsy mockup with 3 little hats, baby hats. So again, I think this is a really powerful tool, and you don't have to right away invest money because there are ways that you can get mockups for free. So if you decide to go with the Creatsy mockups, which are the ones that I most commonly use, you're going to have to open Photoshop. Unfortunately, I think that you have to use an older version of Photoshop because they don't work with the newer version. And I haven't quite looked into that yet, but so you will pretty much open the file, the mockup that you either purchase or downloaded for free. And it will show you kind of this image here that I have on the top right, but it will not, it will be white for now until you start clicking on these buttons that you have here at the bottom of the image number 2 on the right. And then there is a blow up image here. So you will click on this little icon here and it will open a square like this. The size of the square might vary depending on the mockup, but pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste your design there. And once you have it designed, you save it, and then it will show up in the original mockup. So you go icon by icon, opening, in this case, will be 3 different icons for the 3 different fabrics, and then you copy paste your design there. So that's pretty much the way they work. And then you overall can save your file. You can export it as a PNG or JPEG, and then use it on your social media. If you have any questions, I know this is a pretty general explanation on how to do it, but it's not too complicated once you know where to go and what to look for. All right, so this is it for today. Thank you for joining. So in our next class, I'm going to talk about print-on-demand sites. What are those, and what print-on-demand sites you can use for your designs? And I will talk about your options in our next video. So I hope to see you there. Bye.